Hey there, everyone. We'll let a few more people roll on into our stream before we get moving and grooving on the Aurora chances that we have out there tonight. I'm going to warn you that it's definitely not anything compared to last night and the night before. It was kind of unfortunate that a lot of us, at least most of the state of Michigan, were stuck under the clouds Wednesday night. No, that was Tuesday night. Last night, we saw those clouds breaking up a little bit more, giving us a better chance. But tonight, really don't have much to tell you because that storm has weakened considerably and it is remaining very weak at this point in time. We'll actually have increasing clouds after midnight. So if anything does start to peak a little bit more later on tonight, we would have less so a view, but overall it has now pushed its way back into Canada. So we do not have any Aurora chances this evening and tonight. Same thing for Friday night and Saturday night. So we may have to wait a little bit longer if you missed the Northern Lights to get another chance to move on in here. Around Alma last night, this picture sent in to us by Sharon Rebel. We had some pretty decent colors out there, the greens, the purples, and the reds. That was really what put it on show these last couple of nights, especially the reds. It seems like the reds really popped during the Tuesday night event. For last night, we had those greens and reds on the horizon and also overhead, which was really nice to see on those cameras. But what exactly gives us those colors? I want to go through that here momentarily. What we do have when we get the aurora to actually happen are the electrons colliding with various molecules in the atmosphere, the resulting exciting or excitation of the collisions causes the various colors based on the height and also the type of molecule. So high up into the sky, about 150 miles or higher, when you get the oxygen molecules to collide with the electrons that come in from the sun, as that sun's energy is pushed towards the earth, you get those red colors. And that's what we had a lot of the last couple of nights, including the greens as well, up to about 150 miles. Some of the oxygen molecules can also give us green aurora. The nitrogen in the lower levels of the atmosphere gives us the purple and the blue colors, which we saw definitely a lot less of last night and also Tuesday night. What we have coming our way, not the aurora, but a cold front and a low, which is going to bring us gusty winds, rain chances on Saturday, but also milder temperatures tomorrow and Saturday, both going to be mild compared to average. Most of us should be in the 40s. We'll be in the 50s tomorrow and even around 60 on our Saturday. With the clear skies, we're definitely seeing those cooler readings popping back up, already down to 33 in Flint, 30 in Caro, 32 for Lapeer and Oscoda. Further to the west, we have some of those clouds streaming back on in. 41 in Mount Pleasant and Saginaw, 40 in Owasso. And we also have the winds that are starting to bring in some milder temperatures. Winds not going to be all that strong tonight. We'll see very light winds overnight and into the day on Friday. So that actually gives us kind of a break from those stronger winds as we get into the day tomorrow before a windy weekend is on the way. You can see those temperatures definitely milder off to our west and to our southwest, still at 50 in Chicago, 58 in Des Moines. We'll tap into some of those 50s tomorrow, low to mid 50s expected with quite a bit of cloud cover to start the day. We will go very cloudy with a couple rain showers on our Saturday. Temperatures actually not going to be half bad right there in the upper 50s to around 60. You can see on our Friday afternoon, evening, very light winds. We'll increase those winds up to about 25, 30 mile per hour gusts are a possibility during the day on Saturday. As that colder air pours back in on Sunday, it's going to re-energize some of those stronger winds, and we could have some of those gusts up between about 25 to 35 miles per hour as we wrap up the weekend. So a very windy weekend from start to finish. The winds are going to be coming out of the southwest on Saturday to give us warmer temperatures, and then out of the northwest on Sunday to cool us back on down. For our Friday morning, you can see those clouds still lingering and developing. Friday afternoon and evening, we're back into the mostly sunny skies. As we roll our way forward into our Saturday morning, overcast skies will be with us pretty much the entire day. There may be some breaks in the evening to give us a few rays of sunshine to end the day, but overall Sunday looks sunnier than Saturday, but Sunday could also feature a couple sprinkles and maybe a few flurries out there in our northern communities later on in the day. Overall rainfall, it's not going to be much. Most of us will stay below 1/10 of an inch with the rain shower activity that we are going to experience on our Saturday. Partly cloudy skies tomorrow, more clouds in the morning as it compared to the afternoon and evening. Breezy on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. There's a chance of rain Saturday. Few flurries off to our north. That's mainly going to be in northern lower Michigan and the upper peninsula, however, and then some sunshine with cooler temperatures, low to mid 40s for the highs next week. Breezy on Monday, some sun both Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and then mostly cloudy on our Thursday. Looks like later in the day on Thursday. If not, Thursday night into our Friday, rain showers are going to return. So enjoy the milder temperatures we have the next couple of days because we're right back into the cooler readings for most of this 7-day forecast. All right, y'all, that's going to wrap it up for me here. I'm going to look into the comments just to see if there's anything. Hey, Ethan, hopefully you're doing well in northern lower Michigan. We are unfortunately not going to have those Aurora lights tonight. It looks as though that storm has completely passed, and we had our chances last night and not really the night before. But our best opportunity was going to be last night. We will likely still have Aurora chances going forward into the winter just because we are in a solar maximum. So that allows for those solar storms to be a little bit more frequent. So I would say if you missed the opportunity the last couple of nights, all hope is not lost, but just know to stay up to date with us on those chances going forward. We'll have more, of course, a day or two before that opportunity is expected to happen. And we'll keep you posted on timing and if Mother Nature is going to allow for us to see it. Thank you for joining us, as always, on our Thursday editions of Beyond the Forecast. We'll be back next week at this time.